The KS quantity breaks can be used to increase your store AOV, or average order value. With it, the customers can buy more quantity of a product, but of course they should get something in return. That's why for each of the tires you should offer the respective discount. Okay, first we are going to check the installation, and then we are going to check the snippet configuration and how we can enable as well the discount for each of the tires. Okay, let's unzip first the snippet, and then you'll notice that we have here a file which we should open our preferred editor, and then simply copy everything within this file, and going back to the Shopify admin, go to the theme you want to install it, edit code, and then since this snippet is in fact a section, we should create a new one called KS quantity breaks. Okay, all we have to do is paste the contents of the file that we have just copied. Hit the save button, and then again from the same theme hit the customize button, and we should go normally to the product that we want this snippet to be enabled. Okay, we have a sample product for it. Okay, KS quantity breaks, and let's add the section KS quantity breaks. Okay, since this snippet is injected automatically on the product form, we should hit the save button here for the snippet to be shown. Okay, as you can see now, the snippet is showing correctly. Okay, and then now we are going to check the configuration. Okay, first, as I forgot to mention, this snippet is available only for the official down theme, but of course with a few line edits it can be adjusted to work on any other Shopify theme. Okay, let's check first the general settings. We have here the title, we have the title size, we have the add to cart button animation. This is animation that happens when the user clicks one of the options here. As you can see, it is animating the add to cart button, and you can change it. For example, let's choose this other one, and as you can see now, the add to cart is doing a different nice animation. Okay, we have also the section padding that we can control the spacing above and below the snippet. Okay, so it is important to note that each of these tires here by 5, by 10, by 20 is in fact a block here of the actual section. So for example, if you want to hide the last option, all you have to do is click this icon here and hit the save button, and as you can see now it is showing only the two options here. If you want to add more, you can add as many as you want. For example, let's add another one, and you can see now we have the block settings. We have the label here, by quantity save discount, and the text here between the curly brackets is in fact a placeholder that for the quantity is right here, and the discount is for the discount settings below. Okay, so for the third option, let's select quantity of 20 items that the customer needs to add in order to get this discount, that we can select, for example, 20%. So it means that the customer must buy 20 items to get a 20 discount. Let's add another one, and for the last one let's select, for example, 30 items that the customer needs to purchase to get a 30% discount, and hit the save button. As you can see now we have four options. We have the options to buy 5, 10, 20 and 30, and they will get, for each of these tires they will get the respective discount. So that should be all for the snippet, but of course we must add the discounts, the automatic discounts for each of these tires that we have here. Otherwise the customer will not get the discount on the cart. Okay, so we have the 5, they get 5%, we have the 10 and they get 10% discount, 20 and 30 for the 30% discount. Okay, so we should go now to the admin page, discounts, and in fact we have already 3 discounts created, but let's create another one, the last one that we have for buy 30 and save 30%. Okay, so all you have to do is click create discount, and then this is the important, we must select here the amount of products. Okay, and then it is important so that we select here automatic discount. Let's give it a name, buy 30, save 30%. Okay, the discount value is in percentage and you get 30% discount. This discount applies to select the products that you want to apply. For example, let's choose all collections. Okay, and then here we should select here the minimum quantity of items. That for this case it should be 30, and of course for the other cases it should be the respective number here. Okay, that should be all. And now as soon as the customer goes to the, let's remove everything we have in the cart so they can test it, hit refresh, and then let's choose for example buy 20 and save 20%, and now as soon as we add to the cart we notice that we have already applied a discount. Okay, and that should be all for this snippet. Thanks for watching.